There we go. Just like in the factory mounting holes. Now the factory one mounts on there. However, this one, it has this stupid aftermarket one, which everybody's got their own preference and things like that. But me, this isn't my vehicle, and the vehicle's getting sold, so that's why put it back to the factory. There's one bolt right behind there. I said I got the hardware from the one I took out of a salvage yard. Here's the hardware right here, and whoop, sorry, make sure it's working. And we'll get this aftermarket one removed. Alright, sorry about that. Pause it for 1 second. Looks like it's got a 10mm nut down in there that I want to drop there. And that one in the back there on the top of the intake plenum is 8mm. Put this back on there like that, so we don't lose this one. There we go, there's this goofy little aftermarket one taken off. Now let's get the OEM factory one. I say this is one I got from a salvage yard. You know, they mark it. Let's install this back into the vehicle the way it's supposed to be. See right there on top, we got to take that bracket off. So I can slide down in there. Look. Some type of rubber boot that somebody's installed here. 1 second, guys, I gotta get that off. I don't know what somebody's done, but they've installed some type of little rubber boot down inside there. Right there. It's coming off here. I just ripped the boot off. Taking the stud out. Oh, slow and steady on this thing. Almost out here. Yeah, there we go. This little rubber boot that somebody's installed on this for that aftermarket air intake. Now that's out of the way.